Good morning, everybody. Dave here. Today we are going to be swapping out my old PWM charge controller for the granddaddy of all granddaddy charge controllers, the Victron. So we're going to install it, put the terminals in from the solar panels to the charge controller, from the charge controller to the battery, download the Bluetooth app. I'll show you on my phone what it looks like, go through all the specs for you so you can make a decision. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the Victron here. A little unboxing knife today. Cut right through this bad boy. 5-year warranty. Okay. Woo! Look at this bad boy. It is a chunky boy. A chunky boy. So this is going to be your terminal inputs here from your batteries to the charge controller, plus minus, and then from your solar panel to the PV here, plus and minus, and that's literally it. Okay, here we go. Nice Victron Energy. Again, the Rolls Royce of all charge controllers. In the back is a giant heat sink, as you can see there. This is just, and this is aluminum, nice and solid. Big giant heat sink. Wow, this thing is nice. So it tells you right there, it has 3 different lights. For your batteries, there's going to be 3-stage charging, bulk, absorption, and float. But you don't even need to look at these. You could look at the Bluetooth function on your phone. Okay, so let's quickly read the description and some of the key features before we install this thing. Description: a solar charge controller gathers energy from your solar panels and it stores it in your batteries. Using the latest, fastest technology, Victron Energy Smart Solar maximizes this energy harvesting, driving it intelligently to achieve full charge in the shortest possible time. Victron Energy Smart Solar maintains battery health, extends its life. The Smart Solar charge controller will even recharge a severely depleted battery. It can operate with a battery voltage as low as 0 volts, provided the cells are not permanently sulfated or otherwise damaged. Okay, so quickly, some of the features here. By constantly monitoring the voltage and current output of your solar PV panels, MPPT technology ensures that every drop of available power is rinsed out of your panels and harvested for storage. Anytime, anywhere, remotely control and monitor the extensive features of your Smart Solar MPPT charge controller. So this is the Amazon listing here. I'll throw it in the description. This is going to be your Amazon's choice, 130, 12 or 24 volt solar charge controller Bluetooth. So in the future, if you wanted to upgrade to 24 volt, you could with this smart charge controller. They make a bunch of different kinds depending on what your needs, from 10 amp, 15 amp, 20, all the way up to 30. They even make 100/50 or even higher. The price on this guy, $226. So let's go ahead and install this guy. So I kind of wanted to mount this here, but it's just too big. I mean, it'd be nice to look at it because it looks so cool and it's baller. So as you can tell, this is the back of the van. I just have some scrap wood here that I'm going to use to install this guy right up against here. So this is where my old charge controller is, right here. Can't even see it really. Attached to the solar, which is unplugged right now. You see that? This is the PV input, and then these two are the battery, the white and black right here. And so you're gonna put that right into these terminals right here. It's that simple. Very awkward place to work here. Let's get it done. Okay, here she is. So we got the battery plus and minus, and the solar panel plus and minus right here. These 4 cords. And we're gonna download the app and see what it looks like. Alright, what's up everybody? Let's take a look at the app at night. Beep! Okay. It's connecting there. Here we go. So at nighttime, of course, it's collecting nothing, right? 0 watts. You have your voltage. The state is off right now. And it says, why is that off, right? It's normal because there's no solar input. And then history, here we go. Okay, so this is my tablet. Let's take a look at the Victron app. Here it is. Victron Connect is the app you're looking for. And so currently I am pulling 70 watts. If you look at the graph down below, on June 16th, I pulled 700 watt hours. It was very cloudy yesterday, and it's still cloudy today. I wish it was nice and sunny so you can see some cool numbers here. But on the right hand side, you have your solar and your battery Current state is absorption. So remember in the beginning I told you there was 3 stages: bulk, absorption, and float. Float is when it's full, and then it slowly tops off as your usage changes. Here's your trends here. So you can see this graph. It is real time. So you could check solar voltage versus battery voltage and see if these numbers make sense to you. Hopefully they get close to each other. It's always changing, as you can see. So let's wrap this video up. Okay, so the question remains, should you buy this charge controller? And my answer is yes. Worth every penny. It's worth it, and I'll tell you why. Number one, quality control. This thing is built like a tank, and it just works. I'm on all the boards, and I'm reading everything, watching all the videos, just like you guys are, being an informed consumer. And the quality control on this thing is amazing. And let's say if something happens, I also heard that their customer service support system is also top notch. So if you ever have a problem with them, you can email them, chat with them, call them on the phone, and they'll walk you through everything. Now try saying that to any of some of the other brands. It'd be a little tougher. Number two, expandability. If you ever wanted to upgrade your system in the future to go to from 12 volts to 24 volts, you can do that. You go to lithium, you can do that. You can even control the exact voltages that you want. You can customize everything according to your battery's chemistry. So at the end of the day, whether it be $50 more, $60 more, you gotta ask yourself, is that worth it for you? So you have less headaches, you have something that's just built and works out the first time. Remember what they always say, buy once, cry once. So thanks so much for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. And if you enjoy my content, hit the sub button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.